Modern flight simulators are so much better than the slow, unrealistic examples of the past. Many are full-motion simulators, so you get to feel all the sensations of climbing, descending and turning. There are so many types of simulator, from Spitfires to airliners, from light aircraft to military jets. You can even recreate the famous Sully experience by ditching your airliner in the Hudson River. And of course, the huge advantage of simulators is that no previous experience is required. It doesn't matter if you've never sat in an aircraft before or don't know the first thing about cockpits. You'll be given a full briefing to ensure that you, or the lucky recipient of your gift, will enjoy the experience and that you come back for more. Another big advantage of simulators is the fact that they are open all the year round and, unlike real flying lessons, the weather never postpones the event. Some of these flight simulator experiences are run by professional pilots who use the same simulators for training commercial pilots. So you'll be sitting in the same cockpit as the pilots who attend refresher courses or new pilots on the way to obtaining their commercial wings. Others are the cockpits of fighter jets and World War II vintage aircraft, in which you can experience the sensations and sounds of today's modern combat and the aerial dogfights of the past. Or how about trying to land your aircraft on the deck of an aircraft carrier as it moves about in a rough sea? Some of the modern jet simulators include air-to-air combat, aircraft carrier landings, air-to-ground bombing, air-to-air refueling, formation flying and full mission campaigns. If airliners are your thing, then you could choose to experience landing at some of the world's most famous and spectacular airports: St. Martin, Innsbruck and Kai Tak. Sitting in the darkened cockpit, your eyes will see and your ears will hear exactly what real pilots experience. Do you suffer from a fear of flying? Spending some time in a flight simulator has been known to relieve the symptoms of nervous flyers. Included in the links below is a link to a fear of flying course in Northampton or Sussex. Professional and patient instructors are on hand to walk you through every step. Why not go with a friend and take turns, or bring some of the family and make a day of it? Flight simulator experiences are also an excellent choice for businesses and companies looking for that fun and safe team-building exercise that is open all the year round, whatever the weather. Ready to give one a try, or thinking of giving the gift of wings to someone else? Use the links below to make a choice, then follow the clicks to a booking. It's an experience that is fun, safe and very realistic. It may even give you the taste for real flying. Happy landings!